Hey guys, how's it going? I'm coming at you with another very early video today. It is Friday, July 17th. It is still during market hours. It's almost 2:20 p.m. in the afternoon. So we have just a little under 2 hours left in the market, but overall just kind of sideways day in the market. It's not really exciting, so I figured let me get this video out early before the weekend starts, and because I don't predict much is going to happen in the last 2 hours or so, 1.5 hours or so. Market's just sideways. I mean, look at tech. Amazon is one of the bigger movers at down 1.3%, but Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, pretty much sideways. Even the semis, they're green, but they're pretty much sideways. Micron is actually down a little bit, 1.2%. AMD, Nvidia, sideways. So banks are actually red this time, which makes more sense based on what their earnings were showing this week. But in general, I mean, here's the chart for AMD here. AMD is just kind of a sideways day, which is great for me because right now AMD is trading at about $55.20 or so, and my puts that I sold the other day are at the $51 strike price, so I have a good $4 buffer for the next 2 hours, so I'm pretty confident that those are going to expire worthless. And if you don't remember from my last videos, I sold them, the 51 strike puts with a 2-date expiration. I sold them for $13 each, and I sold 3 of them, so I collected an easy $39 in 2 days worth of work. Like I said, can go out and get a decent dinner tonight and not have to worry about it. Just basically paid for some food for me for this week, so happy about that. I'll look into getting into some more AMD plays come Monday, assuming nothing crazy happens in the market over the weekend. But yeah, I mean, if we take a look at IWM, again, just a pretty much sideways day today, not a lot of excitement, which again is a great thing if you're a Theta gang. If you had plays open, you want a sideways day as long as your puts or your calls weren't getting tested. Just let time eat away at the premiums, and that way you can collect max profit. Let's take a look at Disney. Disney, a little bit sideways today. It's down 1% though. It's down to around 118. I think we closed yesterday around 119. So again, not much of a big movement. Netflix was actually the big story because Netflix had earnings yesterday evening after market close, and Netflix was trading above 500. I mean, it was around 520, 530s, and it actually did not report good earnings. So it actually tanked all the way down to about 480s pre-market, and it's hovering right now around 480, 489, or 490, I should say. So I don't know, if you're bullish on Netflix, it might be a good time to get into some stocks. It is a little bit cheaper than it was just a day ago, but again, I still think personally it's overpriced. So again, not financial advice, just pointing out that Netflix did have a little bit of a drawdown. So if you're waiting to get into Netflix, it's technically on sale if you consider it that way. But like I said, it's a little bit too rich for my blood right now, so I'm going to stick away, and of course, not financial advice. But let's take a look at Micron as well, just to finish off my list of favorite stocks I've been keeping an eye on. Micron was down a little bit today, but overall sideways. Again, nothing exciting. I mean, if you had puts, the other put I was thinking about opening up was on Micron, and that probably would have been at the $48 strike price. So again, I would have been secured if I went with that position as well. But like I said, I went with AMD. I haven't played AMD in a while, so I thought now was a good chance to play it, and it looks like it's working out for me so far. Let's just take a quick peek and see what the popular options are today. So again, GE options are very popular today for some reason. I'm not sure why people are very bullish on GE all of a sudden, but I'm not a big fan right now. It's almost a penny stock. I mean, it's trading at $7. It's crazy that a company just as big as GE is nearing the penny stock range. But you know, the usual suspects aren't near the top of the list. You don't see Apple, you don't see AMD, you don't see Microsoft. So it's very weird. A lot of these plays might be a lot of hype plays, right? There's Moderna here, hot off their vaccine pump. Delta Airlines. So a lot of weird stocks actually that are popular options today. So I'm not sure what to make of that, but it doesn't matter to me as long as my options expire worthless and I collect max premium. Would have been an overall good week for me. So I am happy to report that the Discord server looks like it's ready to go. I have all the sections made. I have all the bots configured. I have the options bot, which I kind of gave you a teaser about in my previous videos. And I'm really excited about this bot because I think it's really cool. So just to give you a live example of what it can do, you can be in any channel. So right now I'm actually in the Theta Gang channel right now. And let's say you want to see what AMD is doing right now. So if you just type the exclamation mark, which starts the commands, and you can check for the 3-minute candles on AMD by doing exclamation mark C3M and just hit enter. and it will come back with you with the stock chart on AMD, and you can pop it open and see what the graph looks like for today. So you don't have to go to TradingView, you don't have to fire up Robinhood or Thinkorswim or Webull or whatever platform you're looking at. You can find the chart right on Discord, and then you can ask for people's opinions. You can share that chart. So it's all built in. If you want the TA on AMD, just type !TA and then the ticker, so AMD. And what it'll do, it'll come back with the resistance levels, meaning it'll tell you what price levels the first and second resistances are. It'll tell you what the last trading price was. It'll even tell you what the 61.8 and 50% and 38.2% Fibonacci levels are, the 52-week low. So this is great. This is all stuff that I would have to go to TradingView and look at my graphs for, but I can get it at a quick glance just on the Discord server. It's already built in, and this bot is amazing. There's much more it can do. So I actually added a quick link here. We can go to the bot's website and find all the commands it can do. I mean, you can look at stocks. You can even do open interest on options. So if you just type in !OI for open interest and then the ticker, let's say AMD again, it'll tell you what the open interest is on the options right now. So you can see it gives you all the different expiration dates. For example, for today, 7/17, there's an open interest of almost 500,000 options. Gives you the call and put percent on that open interest. Also tells you the volume. So as of right now, nearly 123,000 options were traded, meaning positions opened and closed just today. And you can also again see the call and put ratio on the volume. So it's just great information. And this is just the tip of the iceberg of what this bot can do. I'm really excited about it. And the best part is again, you can share this information, get people's thoughts or feedback in real time while the market's open or even after hours. So I'm really loving this bot right now. I also have a channel where it will automatically upload my YouTube videos the moment I post them. So again, you don't have to leave the Discord server and go to YouTube to watch my latest videos. You can watch them straight in the channel right here, and it'll do it instantaneously in real time. I also have another channel that scrapes the Earnings Whispers Twitter feed. So as soon as they tweet out the next or tomorrow's earnings, it will automatically put the post in Discord, and you can open it up and you can see. So it's already tweeted out that Monday, Halliburton, Lennox, all these other groups or stocks are having earnings. And it even shows you the graph and some key kind of technical analysis. And that's all straight out of Earnings Whispers. But I am scraping that data, so it's already built into the server. So again, you don't have to ever leave the server. I have another channel that I just call Due Diligence, where I'm following other popular kind of stock market related or economy related Twitters. So for example, one of my favorite persons to follow is Danielle DiMartino Booth. And she actually is where I get a lot of my stock charts and graphs data from, if you've seen some of my prior videos. And she posts relatively frequently, and there's just like a lot of good information here. So again, that's all going to get scraped automatically, and you can just click on these to blow them up to see the data she's presenting. So again, you don't have to leave the Discord server. And of course, I have a suggestion box here at the bottom. So if there's any changes you want to see or things you want me to add or remove from either the Discord server or my YouTube channel, just let me know. I mean, if there's other people that you like on Twitter that you want me to add to this server to scrape their tweets, please just let me know. And if a lot of people agree, I'll certainly add them. It's not that hard to do for me at this point now, since I've got it all set up. But I have a newsroom set up where people can discuss current events and things that are happening in the market or in the economy, just so you can stay up to date with what's happening, especially during market hours. I have a learning center where basically any question goes. There are no stupid questions. We can discuss trades. We can discuss, from the basics of what a cash secured put is to what the wheel strategy is to even high level stuff. And people can share websites and resources that they've come across just so we can help each other learn. I have a technical analysis channel where people can post their TA that they've done. They can post their pictures of their charts or their graphs to see and get feedback from other people about what they think about that. I have a channel just for stocks discussion, so people that want to buy shares of stock or sell shares of stock or just buy and hold and go long, they can discuss it in this channel. I have one channel just for options, so buying and selling of options. So I understand that not everybody is 100% Theta gang. So if they want to discuss buying puts and buying calls, feel free to do that in this channel. And then I have one channel just specifically for Theta gang. So people that want to run the wheel strategy like I do, people that just want to sell puts and sell calls, I have one dedicated channel just for them. I have a channel for crypto and Forex if people are into that. I don't trade either of those, but again, there's a place to discuss it. I have a channel for profit and loss. So basically, if you wanna do a little bit of bragging and show off your gains for the week or the month, feel free to post a picture here in this channel. And I have a channel for personal finance. So aside from stock market investing, if you want to discuss things about mortgages, credit cards, bank accounts, just other ways of making money in your life, or just other financial related topics that are not necessarily related to stocks or options, you can discuss that here. I also have a lounge section, so if people just want to hang out after hours, talk about movies, TV shows, video games, you can discuss it here. Or if you want to hang out during market hours, let's say you've got some positions open and you're just hanging out, letting Theta eat away at the premiums to collect max profit, you can hang out here. One of the cool things about Discord is that there's a voice channel. So you can talk to other people through your microphone, and you can share your webcam so people can see and talk to you at the same time. You can actually even stream or show your desktop. So if you want to share a video that you've seen, or you want to play a video game and share it with other people, you can do that in these voice channels as well. And again, I have one for stocks and options discussion, and I made a voice channel just for, again, the lounge. People just want to talk about sports or movies or video games. Whatever you want to talk about that's not related to stocks or options, you can just hang out in the Discord server. So this is ready to go. I am gonna roll it out as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers. We're about 13 subscribers away, last I checked. So I'm predicting that we're probably gonna go live sometime this weekend. Feel free to keep commenting on my YouTube channel. I'll try and answer as many questions and comments on that channel going forward. But of course, my priority now is gonna be in my Discord channel. So let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any other channels you want to add, and leave comments below if you have any questions about the server or about Discord or how it's going to work. And as always, happy trading.